Hey guys, I want to make a video showing what took me 3 hours, hopefully take you a couple minutes. So what I've got here, I've got two three-way switches and a power supply. So from what I can tell, this is the supply line here, and you can kind of tell where it looks like it's just been cut or sheathed a little bit right there. So you can dial in here and send your power over to that screw right there. So that's what was throwing me off. So once I figured that out, basically all the other black, so you can see where I did the red wire, and that's common. But this one right here, when I opened it up, had 4 wires. So I didn't know which one to tie them into. So I tied both the black that weren't the power supply in on the left-hand side with the brass screw here. And this one just had a single black wire over here. And so that enabled that to work. And so coming over here, this is the other three-way switch. It only had 3 wires. So I put the red on the top right, again to brass, the black one to the top left, again to brass, and there's a gray wire here, but I had to flip that one around a couple times just to see which one was which. But ultimately, at the end of the day, once you realize your red wire needs to go to the upper right-hand corner to the other brass, you should be good. This is the dimmer switch. Again, kind of the same thing here. Once you know your red is going to the upper right-hand side, again to that brass. The bottom one here is a copper, but it can be black, I guess. And so for whatever reason it doesn't work the first time, you can go over here and do this. So to be perfectly clear, this video is for entertainment purposes only. And the safest thing to do is to keep the breaker on and off. But I may or may not have been wearing latex gloves, and that may or may not have really helped. So you do you on that. But it really helped me diagnose this. But ultimately, at the end of the day, if you know how to do this, you shouldn't have to worry about, you know, bad things happening if you can just do it this way. All right, guys. Again, for entertainment purposes only, good luck.